how to send gifs on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can send gifs on Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You cannot send gifts to each and every creator out there, only if the creator have allowed receiving gifts, and also if you're eligible to send gifts. So first of all, if you want to send gifts, you have to add your payment method. To do that, come to your profile page from the bottom right, tap on the three lines, go to settings and privacy, and here you want to go to the option called orders and payments over here, and over here you want to select payment methods. Once you select payment method, select add payment method, select the option called credit card, PayPal or Shopee or whatever else you have. After you enter your payment method, you can simply come back to the Reels tab, and if the creator has allowed Reels, you'll most likely find a send gift button right next to their profile name at the left hand side of the screen. Currently I'm in a region where gift is not available, but if you're in a region where a gift is available, instead of this you'll be able to find the send gifts option, and then you can simply send stars to them, and then the creator will be able to convert that into the fiat currency. This is simply how you can send gifts on Reels. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.